Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter 2 dimensional coordinate geometry. In last class we discussed the equation of what? The equation of line in slope, point form, slope intercept form and some questions. Today we are going to discuss equation of line passing through 2 points, equation of line in intercept form, equation of line in parametric form, then equation of line in general form. These are the concept we are going to discuss. Okay. Now, equation of line passing through, that is 3 is what? Type 3 equation of line passing through passing through passing through 2 points. 2 points, equation of line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by, that is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m means what? M means slope. So slope will be what? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the formula to find slope of formula to find equation of line passing through 2 points. The proof is very easy. We know that is what? Proof is what? Now the proof is here to, this is the proof. So proof is, we know equation of line passing through given point, that is here given point, suppose this is a of x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. Now m is equal to what? Slope of line m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is slope of line. Now equation of line is what? 1 point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where what is the value of m here? That is y minus y1 is equal to, m means what? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Clear? Now that is one question. Example, find the equation of line passing through the point point 3 4 and minus 1 5. Solution, given points, this is equal to what? x1 y1 is equal to 3 4, x2 y2 is equal to minus 1 5. Here x1 is equal to what? Here x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 5. Now equation of line is what? Equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now what is that is y minus y1 means 4 and y2 5 minus 4 divided by x2 minus 1 minus 3 into x minus x1, x minus 3. Now simplify this. This is equal to what? Y minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 4 into x minus 3. Now simplify again. That will be what? Minus 4y plus 16 is equal to x minus 3. Or we can write x plus 4y minus 19 is equal to 0. This is equation of line. passing through what? 2 points. This is equation of line passing through 2 points. Now equation of line in intercept form. What is the equation of line in intercept form? Equation of line in intercept form. Fourth one is equation of line in intercept form. Equation of line in intercept form. Equation of line in intercept form. Clear? Now suppose this is our coordinate x-axis and this is origin and this is y-axis. Suppose the line passes like this. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. Now what is, suppose this length is A and this is B. That is here this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. This is what? Y-intercept. Clear? So if A and B, if A and B are x-intercept and y-intercept of a line, then equation of line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This is two intercept form where A is x-intercept and A is equal to what? X-intercept and B is equal to what? Y-intercept. Now proof of this question formula. What is, how to prove this? Now proof this is the coordinate system x and this is y and this is O and the line is passing through like this. Suppose this distance is what? A. Suppose this distance is A. So what is the coordinate of A here? A lies on the x-axis, so any point is A comma 0 because this length is A and this length is B. So suppose capital B is equal to what? 0 comma B. Given x-intercept is equal to what? A. That implies line chords x-axis at A of A comma 0. Y-intercept also given y-intercept is equal to B. That implies line chords y-axis at 0 comma B. Now equation of line passing through 2 points. This is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and y2. Now equation of line in 2-point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now into x minus x1. So that implies y minus y1 means 0 is equal to y2 means b y2 minus what? 0 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus a x minus a. Now y is equal to minus b by a into x minus a. Now what happens here? That is ay is equal to minus bx plus what? A b. So that implies ay bx plus ay we can write here bx plus ay is equal to ab. Divide both sides by ab. Divide both sides by ab. तो bx by ab plus ay by ab by ab is equal to 1. So b cancel here, b cancel here, a cancel here, a cancel here. So that implies x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the proof of the intercept form of the equation of line. Now find the equation of line. One question: what is the equation of line? It passes through the point. It passes through the points. 0, 3 and minus, 0. Where is question? One more question, that is, suppose this is the coordinate axis and 0, 3. This is 0, 3. X is equal to 0, y equal to 3 here. 1, 1, 2 and this is 3. This point is 0, 3 and minus 5, 0. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4 and this is minus 5. This line. So this length is what? Here a equal to, this is minus 5, this is what? Minus 5 and this is 2. This is equal to a equal to minus 5, a equal to minus 5 and b equal to here 2. Now equation of here extended solution, the points what? 0, 3 and minus 5, 0. Direct we can write here b equal to 3 and a equal to minus 5. Now equation of line is x by what? Minus 5 plus y by b 3 is equal to 1. This is equation of line. Clear? Now one question. Now fifth Panch number form, that is what? Normal form of equation of line. Now suppose this is the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, and the line is like this. This is straight line, this is y-axis and this is origin. This distance less the distance of the perpendicular, suppose this is n, this distance is equal to p and this is suppose alpha, this is suppose alpha. Solution, that is what is theory. Let the length of normal or perpendicular from origin to the line is small p, that is ON length is equal to small p. Let alpha be the angle between the line and positive direction of x-axis. Then equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is the normal form of the equation of line. Now how to prove this equation? That is, suppose from figure, this is suppose point A and this is point B. This is point B. Okay, so let's the proof. Suppose this is the coordinate system and this is origin, and this line is passes through like this. So this is point A and this is point B here. Suppose this length is equal to A and this length is equal to B. This point A 0 and this point what 0 B. Let the line cuts x-axis at A of small a comma 0 and y-axis at B of 0 comma B. Now equation of line in intercept form is equal to what? Is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Clear? Now this is perpendicular. Let ON be the perpendicular or normal, from origin to the plane, to the line. Now in triangle, suppose alpha be the angle, let alpha be the angle between ON and line. ON and line. Clear? Alpha be the angle between ON and line. Suppose that is, let ON be the normal from origin to the line and alpha be the angle between ON and line. This is ON and line. Now in figure, in triangle O, this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. In triangle ONA, that is cos alpha is equal to what? Cos alpha is equal to, cos theta formula apply करो, B by H. Base means what? ON by H means OA. So this is ON means what? This length is P. Okay. So let ON equal to length of ON equal to what? Let ON be the normal from origin to the line such that ON length magnitude equal to P. ON magnitude equal to P. So this is P by, and ON length is what? A. Now A is equal to what? A is equal to P by cos alpha. A equal to P by cos alpha. Now from another triangle, that is what? Now in triangle, this is ONB. In triangle ONB, this is what? This angle is 90 minus alpha. This angle is what? 90 minus alpha. So triangle ONB, in triangle ONB, that is angle BON is equal to 90 minus alpha. 90 minus alpha. Now cos 90 minus alpha, and this is 90 degree. So cos 90 minus alpha, 90 degree minus alpha equal to base ON by hypotenuse, that is OB. ON means what? P by OB means what? B. So cos 90 minus alpha is equal to what? Sin alpha is equal to P by B, and B is equal to what? P by sin alpha. This is value of B. Now equation of line is in terms of, this is suppose equation 1. Use A and B in equation 1. Use A is equal to P by cos alpha and B is equal to P by sin alpha in equation 1. In equation 1. Now x by, that implies what? X by A. A means what? P by cos alpha plus y by B means what? P by sin alpha equal to 1. Now take this here and take this here. So x into cos alpha by P plus y into sin alpha by P is equal to 1. That implies x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. This is proof of the equation of line in normal form. Clear? Now parametric equation of line. Now what is parametric equation of line? One question, find the equation of line upon which the length of the perpendicular is 5. Length of the perpendicular from origin. That is what? Find the equation of line which equation of line upon which the length of the perpendicular from origin is 5. From origin is 5 and the angle between the line and positive direction of axis is 135 degree. Solution. Here P is equal to length of perpendicular P is equal to 5, angle alpha is equal to 135 degree. Equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. X into cos alpha means cos 135 degree plus y into sin alpha means sin 135 degree. P is equal to 5 here. Now cos 135, cos 45, that is 1 by root 2, and this is minus x by x into minus 1 by root 2 plus y into sin 135, that is 1 by root 2 is equal to 5. So this is what? X by minus root 2 plus y by root 2 is equal to 5. This is answer. Okay. Now 6. Parametric form or distance form or symmetric form of equation of line. Suppose this is what? The coordinate system, and this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is origin, and this is y dash and x dash. Now let theta be the angle, this is straight line, theta be the angle of angle between line and positive direction of x-axis. Okay. Now let this is the point x1 y1. Now equation of line passing through the point x1 y1 and making angle with positive direction of, if theta is the angle passing through the point x1 y1 and theta is the angle between line and positive direction of x-axis is given by x minus x1, x minus x1, x minus x1. The formula is like this. What is slope? Slope means what? Tan theta. So that is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to here tan theta. So that is what? Sin theta. So y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to sin theta by cos theta. So this will be what? X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. This is the symmetrical form of the equation of line. How it is obtained? We know that is, suppose here x1 y1 be a point and p of xy be any point, then what is slope? Slope m equal to tan theta. Slope means what? Y minus y1, this is proof. This is proof. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That implies y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to x minus x1 by cos theta, or x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. This is proof. Now what is now the parametric form? Now the parametric form is what? Parametric form, that is, let x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to r. So taking these two, so x minus x1 is equal to r into cos theta, and that is x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. Similarly, taking these two, we get here y minus y1 is equal to r sin theta, and y is equal to what? y1 plus r sin theta. This is parametric. That is what? That is x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, comma y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta is parametric equation of the line. Is parametric equation of line. Parametric equation of line. Now what is r? This is proof of this vector. So now r is what? Now mod r is equal to the distance of the point, x1 y1 from the point xy, from the point x comma y, that is, find the coordinate of the point at a distance 4√2 unit from the point -2, 3 in the direction of an angle 45 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Suppose this is the line and this point is what? This point is p of -2, 3, and this, suppose the distance is what? Suppose this is a, this is what? 4√2, and the point may be like this. This distance is equal to what? 4√3. That is 4√2. Here, if this is r and this is minus r, this will be what? Upward direction, that is minus r. If distance is r equal to this and this is what? Minus r. This distance is r and this is minus r. by definition of the parametric equation, by definition given solution given point that is what, x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 2 comma 3. By definition of parametric equation, x is equal to x1 plus r, y1 equal to y1, sorry, this is x1 plus r cos theta, and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. In opposite side, the sign, or x1 is equal to x is equal to what, x1 minus r cos theta, and y is equal to y1 minus r sin theta. Here r is equal to what, 4 root 2, and theta is equal to 45 degree. Now x is equal to x1, this is minus 2 plus r means what, 4 root 2 into cos 45 degree, y equal to y1 means 3 plus r means what, 4 root 2, and this is what, when write this plus or minus and combine this is plus or minus, sin 45 degree, because here x1 equal to, if the direction is along this, then is r, and the direction is opposite direction, then this will be minus r. So x is equal to what, x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 root 2 into 1 by root 2, y is equal to 3 plus or minus 4 root 2 into 1 by root 2. So root 2 cancel. Now x is equal to what? Now x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4, y is equal to plus 3 plus or minus 4. So taking positive sign. For positive sign, the point is what? Minus 2 plus 4, that is 2, and this is what? Minus 1. For negative sign, that is what? X is equal to, the point is what? That is minus 6, and this is what? This is 7. For positive sign, this will be 7. 3 plus 4, 7. And for negative sign, 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. These are the required points. Okay. This is the use of parametric equation. Now, last one is, that is general form of equation of line. Now, general form of equation of line, the first degree equation in x and y will represent the first degree equation in x comma y is called the general form of equation of line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a square plus b square not equal to 0 is called the general form of equation of line. Example 3s plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, etc. This is general form of equation of line. Now, how to find the slope of line from general form? To find the slope of the line, the slope of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. To find the slope of the line, so that is procedure given ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and keep y terms left side. By is equal to minus ax minus c, y is equal to minus a by b into x minus c by 2, c by b, that is minus plus of minus c by b. Here x intercept, that is here slope m is equal to minus a by b, and y intercept is equal to what? Minus c by b. Now what is slope of the line? Question: what is the slope of line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0, and also write y intercept, also write y intercept. Solution: that is what? 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Slope is equal to minus a by b. So minus a minus 3 by minus 4, that is 3 by 4. And y intercept is equal to formula, that is what? Minus c by b. So minus c means what? Minus 1 by b means what? Minus 4. B means what? Minus 4. Clear? So 1 by 4 is the y intercept. Now conversion of general form to intercept form, general form to slope point form, etc. Now conversion of equation of line from general form to slope intercept form. Conversion of, that is transformation of equation of line from general form to slope intercept form. This is general form. So general form is what? General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and slope intercept form is equal to y is equal to minus a by b into x plus minus c by b. This is slope intercept form. Write example, write in slope intercept form. The general form is 3s plus 5 by minus 8 equal to 0. So answer is, solution is what? Solution, that is 3s plus 5 by minus 8 is equal to 0. 5y is equal to minus 3s plus 8, and y is equal to minus 3 by 5 into x plus 8 by 5. This is what? That is slope intercept form. Now conversion of general form to, now conversion or transformation of line from general form to what? Another question, another method, that is general form to intercept form. General form to intercept form. General form to intercept form. Now this is what? General form to intercept form, that is general form is what? General form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now to convert into intercept form, form. First, take the constant. First, take what? Take the constant right side. So this is ax plus by is equal to minus c here, and divide both sides by minus c. Divide both sides by minus c. Divide both sides by minus c. So ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1, or this can be written as x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by c by a here, that is c by b is equal to 1. Now x intercept is equal to what? Here x intercept is equal to minus c by a, and y intercept is equal to minus c by b. One question, write the equation of line. One question, write the equation of line 4x plus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0 in intercept form, and also write the intercept. Also write the intercept. Now solution is y is equal to what? That is, solution is the given line, that is 4x plus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 4x plus 7y is equal to 2. Divide both sides. Eta 1 kariବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. So divide both sides by 2. That is equal to 4x by 2, 7y by 2 is equal to 1. That is 2x plus 7y by 2 is equal to 1. Or this can be written as x by, that is 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 by 7 is equal to what? 2 by 7 is equal to 1. Now x intercept is equal to minus 1 by 2. Y intercept is equal to what? 2 by 7. Y intercept is equal to 2 by 7. Now conversion of equation of line from general form to what? Normal form. Conversion of equation of line from general form to normal form. Conversion of equation of line from general form to normal form. That is transformation of equation of line from general form to what? General form to normal form. Procedure. Write the given general step 1. Write the given general form. That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Step 2. Bring the constant term in RHS, right inside. Step 3. If the RHS side constant is negative, then make it positive by multiplying minus 1. Minus 1. After that is positive, step 4. then divide both sides by square root of a square plus b square, which is the normal form of equation of line. The normal form of equation of line. These are 4 steps to convert the general form to normal form. One question, write the normal form of the equation of line. Write the normal form of the equation of line. Write the one question, write the normal form of equation of line. Also write the length of the perpendicular. Length of perpendicular from origin. Length of perpendicular, this is symbol for perpendicular. Length of perpendicular from origin to the line. Origin to the line. The equation is what? To the line, where the general equation is 7x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the question. Okay, so solution is, that is 7x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is step 1. Step 2, a constant हमको राइट हैंड साइड नहीं जाओ पड़ियो, तो 7x plus 4y is equal to 3. ये प्लस अच्छी तो आउ माइनस करिया दरकार नहीं, माइनस थिले प्लस करिवो, तो जदि प्लस अच्छी किछि करिवोनी, एटा केते 7, बीटा केते 4, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर केते आसीबो ना रूट ओवर 49 प्लस केते 16, 49 प्लस 16 के दो देख लो, इक्वल रूट ओवर 65. ये जो वैल्यू आसीबो, ये जो ए इक्वेशन को डिवाइड करिवो, डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय रूट ओवर 65. सो 7 बाय रूट ओवर 65 x प्लस 4 बाय रूट ओवर 65 इक्वल टू 3 बाय रूट ओवर 65. जो राइट हैंड साइड जहाँ कांस्टेंट रहा सेटा होची लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर. एटा p कोच lx प्लस my इज इक्वल टू p, और x cos अल्फा प्लस व्हाट, x cos अल्फा प्लस y sin अल्फा इक्वल टू p. हियर लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर, लेंथ ऑफ perpendicular is equal to 3 by root over 65. 3 by root over 65. Another question, write the normal form of the equation of line, where the general equation is what? 4x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Another question, same procedure, solution, that is what? 4x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. constant term को राइट साइड ले जाओ, तो 4x plus 2y is equal to minus 7. जो राइट साइड रे माइनस अच्छी या प्लस करिया पड़ो, तो माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करो, मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाय -1, that is equal to what? minus 4x minus 2y is equal to 7. एबे एटा केते -4, b होची -2, रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर केते रूट ओवर 16 प्लस 4 रूट ओवर 20. सो डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय, डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय रूट ओवर 20. सो दैट इज -4 बाय a इक्वेशन करिया पड़ो, है जो राइट साइड प्लस कलापर से इक्वेशन डिवाइड कर -4/√20 इंटू एक्स -2/√20 इंटू y इज इक्वल टू 7/√20. Okay, so what is that is this is 20 √20. Now -4x by √20 means 2√5. 2√5 minus 2 by this is 2√5 into y, and this is 7 by 2√5. 2 cancel here, so minus 2x by √5, and this 2 cancel here, y by √5 is equal to 7 by 2√5. This is normal form. This is normal form. Normal form. And length of perpendicular is equal to 7 by 2√5. This is answer. Okay, now some questions from exercise. Now homework question: find the equation of straight line which passes through the point 3, 4 whose y-intercept is twice of x-intercept. This is question number 1. Second question: if the straight line drawn through the point P of √3, 2 and making angle pi/6 with x-axis and meets the line √3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 at the point Q, then find the length of the line PQ. Question number 3: find the equation of line passes through origin and trisect. Trisect means what? The ratio is 1:2 or 2:1. In the intercept of the line 3s plus 4y is equal to 12 between x's. These are 3 questions homework for you. Please watch the video and work out the problem carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.